Good morning, everybody, and I bought 3 cans of degreaser and 3 cans of brake clean last night, and I thought I overdid it by doing that, but as you can see, last night I took the liberty of wasting almost 2 entire cans of brake clean and almost an entire can of degreaser. I'm cleaning up this intake inside and out. It looks amazing, and I'm actually very happy with it. It's definitely worth wasting all that brake clean. So those are my camshafts again. But today I'm going to wrench and get the heads off. We'll see you guys there.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking it fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got it my way. Never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough, but I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped.
Alright, let's focus. Alright guys, got the left head, or if you're looking at the engine, this would be the front head. I just found this rubber. Hold on. See if you guys can even see this. I need to get a better focus. My dog is freaking out, but look at this. This was in a coolant jacket. I just pulled out a coolant jacket. This was. What in the heck, Mitsubishi? Pulled off my head gasket already. This was absolutely insane. But look at these pistons. Let me turn on flash. Take a look at these pistons. I don't see any damage whatsoever to the top. Guys, we are golden. So, I didn't look at the valves quite yet. I just brought the head inside really quick, but I'm going to go check those out. Check it out. I'm not sure which is intake or exhaust. You guys will have to let me know. This is probably intake, I think. No, this is definitely intake because these are bigger. Intake valves are always bigger. So, because when the piston comes up, it'll compress the air. Compressed air will go out. It'll be smaller. That's why that is. So these are my intake valves. These are the exhaust. As you see, no damage. They look to be seating properly, so that is great. I won't have to replace these. That's awesome. I'm going to clean up this head, and I'll head back out there and take off the time-lapse. Taking off the second head, but comment down below if you guys like the time-lapses, because I'll just keep doing them, even if it's just excessive. If you like it, then I'll just keep doing it. But I'm just going to take the second head off, no time-lapse, and then get you guys, when I have the head off, we'll look at these pistons and valves, and then we might rotate the engine and take off the oil pan. Hey everybody, I totally accidentally took out the pistons and connecting rods. But I did have metal in the pickup tube. I forgot to show that. Those are my bearings, 2 through 6. Number 1 I freaking left in there on accident. But piston number 1. Okay, so we'll start here. Check that out. That's nothing. Okay. Nothing abnormal. Oh, those black dots, those are just oil. Number 2. Nothing crazy. Number 3. No, it's 4. Number 3 is here. Here's 4. Here's 5. Everything looks great. Okay? I had metal in the pickup tube. Even the bearings don't even look bad. Metal in the pickup tube because when I was messing with cylinder number 1, piston number 1, I was looking at it, I had metal pieces coming off. So what the heck? So I look at it closer, and I had a piston ring that had failed and had started to break. So that was my problem. And now we are going to order the rebuild kit. I will have to go oversized. I don't have to, but I'm going to go oversized. Get these bored out. I showed you guys those. Get those bored out, and then get those hatch marks back on there, looking nice and good. Put everything back together, and then we'll be ready to rip. Next step will be to pull the crankshaft out. Here you go, everybody. This will be the front. This is the main journal, or these will be the main caps, main bearings right here for the cradle. Look at that. Really damn close to a spun bearing, it looks like. So glad we caught that. And then this one, it's of concern. This one's of concern too. But that's why we're rebuilding. Alright guys, so basically I'm just like super bored, and I can't necessarily afford to take my block to the engine shop right now. But that's the whole part of getting a new job. So we'll check this out, guys. This is my plenum, as you can see, my upper intake plenum, and I'm actually gonna be removing my throttle body. I just want to clean this stuff up. Like, I'm gonna remove this. This is for the butterfly right here, and I'm just gonna try to clean it up, guys, to see what I can do. Because I'm bored and I have no work, so I'm just gonna try that. All right, guys. As you can see, is there a major visual difference? And I did about half an hour of scrubbing, so this is what I got. We'll probably see what else I can clean, and then I got some schoolwork I got to study for. But yep, this is what it's looking like right now. I scrubbed the throttle body. I removed it completely. I actually put on the new throttle position sensor. I plan on actually getting new sensors all the way around for the car. Maybe not 100%, but most of them are going to get replaced. Like this, for the butterfly cables, I actually took that off and inspected it in there. So I put that back on. Everything looks good. Put it back on, and I probably won't replace these, but mass airflow sensor, idle air control, things like that nature, they will be getting replaced. So this is what this looks like right now, guys. We're not painting my plenum right now, but this bad boy's gonna look nice. I decided to do the bottom so that if there are any scratches when flipping it, it'll be on the bottom. I wouldn't even notice it. So I will get that done, and I will show you guys what the plans are for the valve covers. Guys, this is the final product. What do you think? Comment down below. I decided not to paint the throttle body because there are like a million things that could mess up on this, and I'm not going to do that. So this is final product, and as you can see, guys, everything is scattered around. Future video. But check this out, guys. What do you think? This was 4 coats of just regular paint, and then on top of that I did like 5 or 6 clear coat. This is all high temp. And then for this, I used a detail marker that you would use for like paint chips and stuff. So definitely do that, guys. I did this with rattle can, guys. You can do it too. So I'm gonna get started on my valve cover, and stay tuned for that. Here's what the valve cover looks like right now. The lettering is gonna be gold, just like the upper intake plenum. That will be gold, and then I will tape it off. And once they are taped off, I will do a wrinkle black for the rest of the valve cover, and then that should be the wrap. I might do the black. I might do the back, the rear one, but yeah, that's what it's looking like, guys. I'll just get you guys a quick video when it's all done. So if you're curious on how I actually did this, so you're gonna have your valve cover completely sprayed down, clear of any paint that you had previously. Whatever color you want your colors, that's what you're gonna spray first. So you'll spray the gold over here, and then you'll do that as many times as you want. Personally, I did like 4 or 5. And then next, what you can use Vaseline. They use this on YouTube where you just put the Vaseline over the colors. But what I did was I had a brake lubricant, so it's only like what, $2 for a pack of brake lube. So I put brake lube over these letters, you know. And then right after that, I sprayed my base color, which is the wrinkle black. Sprayed that all the way around here, and then after that I wiped off the brake lubricant, and look, this is where we're at right now. It looks fantastic, guys, and when I'm done clearing it, I will take all the tape off and see what it looks like. actually, next week, guys, I will be sending off my heads and the block to go get machined. I will get them resurfaced, cleaned. I will get that block bored out. I think I'm going to go 20 thousandths of an inch over, 20 or 40. I'm not sure which one it was, but we're definitely going bigger. I will get oversized pistons, piston rings, all that good stuff. And please, if you guys want anything specific done during this rebuild process where I can do something that will benefit you and have you learn something, I would love to do that. So comment what you guys want to see part of this rebuild, and I will specifically go into it just for you. So please comment that down below, and I'll be sure to do that. I've been painting non-stop, guys, and I have been balls to the wall getting this thing done, and I'm getting parts from IMR, solid timing tensioner, lifters, removal tool. Guys, we are going to go full in on this, and if you guys want to see me paint my engine bay, hit that like button. Hit that like button. I will paint my engine bay, I promise. So I will do that. And just stay tuned, guys, because I will be doing a video on getting the block done and everything, and when I receive it, and then get into the rebuild process, guys. So thanks for watching the video, guys, if you guys made it this far, and I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have actually provided me. It's very, very amazing, and I'm very thankful for that. Hey, don't forget to check out Alex's channel, by the way. I will leave it in every single video from here on out. It will be in every single description. Check him out. He vlogs now. He just did a waxing his legs thing today. It was nuts. It was so funny. I actually died laughing. So definitely check that out. Give him some subscriptions and some likes, guys, and bless his channel. So with that being said, have a great day, guys.